Welcome to the Lawe Popo channel. In this video, we will discuss the different types of cranes used in the industrial world. Cranes are essential machines for lifting, moving, and placing heavy loads in construction and manufacturing. Each type of crane has a unique design suited for specific industrial tasks. Let us start with the tower crane, commonly used in high-rise building construction. Tower cranes offer immense height and powerful lifting capacity for large projects. The mobile crane is one of the most versatile cranes used in many industries. Mobile cranes can be quickly transported to different locations for flexible operations. Crawler cranes move on tracks, providing stability on uneven ground. They are often used for heavy lifting in large construction and energy projects. Rough terrain cranes are designed for off-road construction environments. They have large rubber tires and are ideal for oil fields or power plants. Overhead cranes, also called bridge cranes, are common in factories and warehouses. They move along a beam system and can lift heavy materials efficiently. Gantry cranes are similar, but supported by legs that move on rails. Gantry cranes are perfect for outdoor use, especially in shipyards and container terminals. Jib cranes are used for precise lifting in smaller work areas. They are common in workshops, assembly lines, and repair shops. Floating cranes are mounted on ships or barges for marine operations. These cranes help in building bridges, ports, and offshore platforms. Railway cranes operate on train tracks to repair or build rail systems. They are used for lifting derailed cars or placing new rail sections. Truck cranes are compact and mobile, useful for quick construction jobs. Their mobility makes them ideal for short-term or emergency lifting tasks. Aerial cranes, or helicopter cranes, lift loads in remote or high locations. They are often used in mountainous construction and disaster recovery operations. Loader cranes are mounted on trucks and used for loading cargo. They are highly flexible and ideal for logistics and transport industries. Stacker cranes are automated machines used in warehouses. They help in organizing and moving materials in high storage racks. Harbor cranes are used in ports for unloading ships and containers. These cranes are built for durability and heavy-duty lifting. Floating dock cranes handle maintenance of large vessels. They assist in ship construction and equipment installation. Telescopic cranes feature extendable booms for variable reach. They are perfect for tasks requiring different height levels. Bulk handling cranes are designed for loose materials like sand or coal. They use grab buckets or clamshells for efficient material movement. Bridge cranes provide horizontal movement across long distances. Ideal for assembly lines and machine shops. Level luffing cranes are designed to keep the load level while moving horizontally. They are commonly used in shipyards to handle large containers precisely. Deck cranes are installed on ships for loading and unloading materials at sea. They operate in harsh marine environments and require strong corrosion resistance. Hammerhead cranes have a fixed tower and rotating horizontal jib. They are ideal for shipbuilding and heavy manufacturing industries. Floating derrick cranes are extremely powerful for offshore heavy lifts. They are used to install offshore wind turbines and oil platforms. Telescopic crawler cranes combine crawler stability with adjustable boom length. These cranes are efficient in both construction and industrial maintenance. Electric overhead cranes are energy efficient and used in modern factories. They reduce noise and emissions compared to traditional cranes. Compact city cranes are small and maneuverable for tight urban spaces. They can operate efficiently in narrow streets or indoor construction sites. Knuckle boom cranes have articulated arms for complex lifting angles. Their flexibility allows lifting around obstacles and tight corners. Safety is critical when operating any type of crane in industry. Regular inspection, proper maintenance, and trained operators ensure safe lifting operations. Modern industries also use IoT and sensors for predictive crane maintenance. Cranes play a vital role in building our world, strong, reliable, and innovative.